Hi, I'm Dr. Janice Huntingford, and I'm an integrative veterinarian. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about lower urinary tract disease in cats. This seems to be a very common problem, and if you have a male cat who is doing a lot of licking at the urinary opening, urinating outside the box, yowling, that kind of stuff, that can be an emergency situation, and you need to get that cat to the veterinarian right away. They can get a blockage with crystals in their urethra, and then they really need to see their vet immediately. But there are other issues that cats can get that have lower urinary disease, and one of the main ones is feline interstitial cystitis. And this is sometimes called sterile cystitis. These kitties tend to get recurrent bladder infections. And many times when your veterinarian is checking them, they may not have any bacteria in their urine. They may have some red cells because the bladder wall is bleeding, but they may not actually have a cause for it. As an integrative practitioner, I use many different things to treat these cats who have lower urinary tract disease. If they have feline interstitial cystitis, I do like to use Pet Wellbeing's Urinary Gold because it does help out the bladder epithelium. And it's the bladder epithelium that get irritated by stress in the cat. Just like people tend to get gastric ulcers, stressed cats tend to get ulcerated epithelium of their bladder. And the Urinary Gold is going to help that. It also promotes urination, and the less time that the urine sits on those little ulcers in the bladder, the better. There are other things that you can use as well. I like to use Stress Gold to help decrease the stress in the cat, and making sure that your cat is eating a canned food or maybe a homemade balanced food by a veterinary nutritionist is going to be important as well for these cats who have recurrent interstitial cystitis. So if you have a cat who has this problem, along with what your conventional veterinarian is using, maybe also consider using Urinary Gold and Stress Gold for this condition. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you next time.